Hello all. Today we are going to study of theory of computation. Under the TOC, the first concept is DFA. What is DFA? DFA is nothing but Deterministic Finite Automata. For the DFA, there are 5 tuples. The 5 tuples are as follows: the states, input symbol, starting state, final state, and transition. To understand the tuples, let's take one example. Through that example, we'll understand what are the tuples for the given problem statement under the DFA. So under the DFA, there are 5 tuples. So we'll understand one by one. Q is nothing but number of states. So in the given problem statement, Q0, Q1, both are the states. Input symbol, what is input symbol? A states after taking some kind of input on the transition, it will go to the next state. In the given problem statement, A, B, both are the input for the problem statement. Then Q0 will be the starting state. In the problem statement, Q0 will be as it is. It will be a starting state. Then F stands for the final state. Q1 will be the final state. How can we come to know? The DFA contains final state with the double circle. The states will have single circle, then it's a non-final state, and the Q1, it has double circle, so it's a final state. One more point, that Q0 will be a starting state. You can see a symbol, that starting arrow, it shows that it's a starting state. Then the state transition function, the delta. So Q0, after taking A as the input, it goes to the Q1. Q0, after taking B as the input, it will go to the Q0. We can say that a state will take one kind of input, it will go to a state, different state, and the Q0, after taking P as the input, it will go to the different state. That means same state will have different type of input and it will go to the different state. This is the complete definition of DFA. Thank you for the listening. We'll see the example in the next lecture.